All right, let's jump right into this. When we picture the next generation of billionaires, we usually imagine a traditional CEO, right? Someone in a tailored suit overseeing giant skyscrapers and thousands of employees. But the fundamental structure of capitalism is actually undergoing a massive, unbelievable shift. The very first artificial intelligence billionaires, they won't look anything like that. Instead, we're looking at solo individuals literally sitting at a laptop in their living room, wielding a massive digital workforce. In today's Explainer, we're breaking down exactly how AI is completely rewriting the rules of wealth, power, and skill to create a completely new breed of entrepreneur.
And look, this isn't just some wild sci-fi theory. Tech heavyweights like OpenAI's Sam Altman and Anthropic's Dario Modei are so incredibly confident in this shift that there is an active betting pool right now among tech CEOs. The bet? When the very first one-person billion-dollar company is going to emerge. Modei even predicts it could happen by this year, 2026, with a staggering 70 to 80% confidence. Now, by traditional business standards, that sounds absolutely impossible, right? So how exactly does one person build a billion-dollar empire all by themselves?
Well, it's possible because the technology itself has fundamentally leveled up. The old AI we've all gotten used to was basically just a tool, a chatbot that answered a question or generated a quick email to help you work a little faster. But guys, that era is over. We've officially entered the era of agentic AI. We aren't talking about a helpful assistant anymore, we're talking about an operator. Agentic AI acts as a digital workforce that can independently reason, self-correct, write its own code, and manage complex systems totally on its own. It's shifted from a tool you use to a worker you deploy. And the economic ripple effects of this are just mind-blowing. By transitioning from traditional human labor to delegated AI execution, reports are estimating that equivalent labor replacement costs are a staggering 95 to 98% lower than traditional staffing. To put that into perspective, building a major company historically required massive amounts of venture capital just to pay engineers, marketers, and customer support. Now, because AI is stepping in to handle those functions, the startup costs for building a massive tech empire have essentially dropped to zero. This brings us to a brilliantly disruptive concept: infinite leverage. A single founder can now deploy an entire stack of multi-agent systems. Think about it. You can have AI coders like Cursor, alongside AI marketers, support agents, researchers, and designers, all running concurrently. You can basically run an entire corporation's worth of departments without ever posting a job listing, doing an interview, or paying a traditional salary. One founder, sitting at their kitchen table, becomes the CEO, while their AI stack executes the daily operations of the entire company. But we do have to look at the broader, harsher reality here. This macroeconomic shift is already leaving a heavy footprint on the traditional job market. AI is expected to impact or completely reshape roughly 55% of all U.S. jobs in 2025 alone. Major corporations are prioritizing massive growth without hiring. We've recently seen AI contribute to around 55,000 U.S. job cuts, with massive legacy companies like IBM actively replacing human HR staff with automated systems. So while this is an absolute golden era for the solo founder, it is simultaneously collapsing traditional employment. So you might be wondering, who is actually winning in this new economy? Well, the hard data proves the one-person business isn't just theoretical anymore. It's happening right now. Take Peter Levels, for example. He's generating an estimated $3 to $5 million a year across platforms like Photo AI and Nomad List, and he has exactly 0 employees. Or Danny Postma, running Headshot Pro at around $3.6 million in annual recurring revenue as a solo or incredibly small team. Or Mark Liu, making over $1 million a year with ShipFast with just 1 employee. These founders are proving, with real revenue, that the multi-million-dollar solo empire is highly lucrative and entirely possible. And hey, this infinite leverage isn't just for the solo creators either. Larger AI-native companies are demonstrating this exact same extreme efficiency. Look at Perplexity AI. They managed to grow their revenue 5x, jumping from $100 million to a massive $500 million, while their actual headcount only grew by 34%. They completely shattered the old rulebook, proving you absolutely do not need linear headcount growth to achieve exponential revenue growth anymore. The real game changer here is the massive contrast between the old way of doing business and the new way. Traditional startups were severely bottlenecked. They were dragged down by the friction of hiring, massive payrolls, and endless management overhead. But the AI-native startup? It is literally just a laptop, an internet connection, and frontier AI models. AI completely obliterates those legacy bottlenecks.
This means a highly adaptable solo individual can now outmaneuver and outship a massive, slow-moving legacy corporation. And because those old barriers to entry have been completely wiped out, we're seeing a fascinating and, frankly, mind-blowing demographic shift. Teenagers are building wealth faster than ever before. 15-year-old Nick Dobrzynski built an AI finance tool with over 50,000 users. Toby Brown at 16 and Pranjali Awasi at 19 are actively raising millions of dollars in venture capital. Arlan Rakhmatzanov raised $6.2 million for AI coding agents. AI is giving young people instant access to world-class capabilities, compressing decades of professional, hard-earned experience into just a few months. So to actually win in this new paradigm, we have to completely rethink our definition of work. The single most valuable skill in the future knowledge economy is no longer doing the direct heads-down labor yourself. Instead, it's all about orchestration. Orchestration is the skill of directing, operating, and strategizing while your autonomous AI systems actually perform the execution. It's like being the conductor of a symphony. You aren't playing every single instrument yourself. You're directing the digital orchestra to create the masterpiece. And the reason this whole trend is accelerating at such breakneck speed is because the biggest companies on the planet are actively paving the road for it. Big tech giants like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Elon Musk's xAI are openly racing to build out this autonomous infrastructure. With massive compute investments like xAI's Colossus, they are providing the raw materials. They are giving us the picks and shovels of the new gold rush, building the underlying tech that empowers everyday individuals to go out and build empires. All right, let's take a quick reality check, though. As enthusiastic as we are about this future, we have to be grounded. This tech is incredibly powerful, but it isn't flawless magic just yet. The AI builders themselves readily admit that these systems currently face major reliability issues, workflow fragility, and AI hallucinations. An AI agent might completely misunderstand a task or just confidently write totally broken code. And that, right there, is exactly why the human orchestrator is so essential right now. It takes a sharp, adaptable human operator to oversee the workflows, correct those errors, and guide the big picture strategy. Ultimately, the absolute greatest opportunity of our generation lies in recognizing this massive structural shift. The people who achieve unprecedented wealth in the next decade won't be the ones trying to slowly climb the traditional corporate ladder. The future billionaire may not build a company at all. They might just build an AI system. That's the new formula: a single, adaptable human massively amplified by a globally distributed, totally autonomous AI workforce. We are officially watching the dawn of the one-person AI empire, and the barrier to entry has literally never been lower. So I want to hear directly from you guys. If you had a limitless 24/7 AI workforce at your fingertips today, what exact industry would you disrupt? Drop your best ideas in the comments below. I read all of them. And look, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and you found value in this explainer, please smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. It is the absolute best way to support us so we can keep bringing you these high-retention, deep dives into the frontier of the AI economy. Thanks so much for watching, and ask yourself, are you going to be the laborer or the orchestrator? See you in the next explainer.